Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be recreating Olivia Attwoods' outfit. So basically she wore this beautiful red suit. I'll show you a video. She wore this beautiful red suit for, I think, House of Gucci premiere or something, that film. And I just like, oh, I saw that video. I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate this look. So basically I have red suit already because I wore this suit last year for my work photo shoot last August, I think, 2020. Yeah, so I have the red suit. By the way, I bought this suit from eBay. I think I was bidding and I paid like only £10 or £15. It was really cheap, and this is a vintage suit. Obviously I had to alter it, sleeves, waist and trouser length and taper, but that's like nothing for £10 or 15 or something, I don't know, I need to check. So yeah, that is a winner. And also for this look I stole a shirt with double cuffs from my boyfriend's wardrobe, so that's gonna go under the jacket. Also will be wearing these heels, so they are very plain heels, so I think it will look good. And I will be wearing all silver jewelry. These rings my friend gave it to me, really pretty. And I will be wearing my rings on the hand, and really plain stud, like beautiful rhinestone earrings. Also I made you see her bow, which she's wearing there, apparently is Yves Saint Laurent, and it cost about £140. I was like speechless when I saw the price. So I made a bow, like a ribbon star bow myself, and I did a pretty like embellishment in the middle so it stands out and is looking really pretty. So I will be wearing that. And final thing, just like a boxy bag, which my boyfriend calls it as a lunchbox, but it isn't, so it's just, yeah, very boxy bag. And my strap is like a leather strap. She's wearing like a chainy strap bag, but it doesn't matter, I can wear that one. So yeah, let's recreate this look. And here's my finished Olivia's look. On my next video I'll show you how I made this star ribbon bow. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.